Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at screen designs. Priority is one of the few systems that actually allow users to move the fields around as they are needed. For this one, we'll go into Inventory, Parts, Part Catalog. We can then click on our cogwheel at the top right hand corner and click on Form Design. Alternatively, if you want to use your keyboard, it's Ctrl-B on a Windows machine and Command-B on a Mac. In here, we'll find our field that we want to move. So we'll use our last purchase transaction. Click on Move To and Main Columns. We can then, at the bottom right hand corner, click Save, and that's then moved the field for us. We can also do this in multi-record view, where we click on the cogwheel, Form Design, and we can either drag and drop the field or click on the desired field and use Move to Top. We can then click Save, and that's moved the fields for us. Thank you.